The little giraffe lost her spots. Little giraffe woke up feeling very panicked. She was sure she had spots when she went to sleep, but now they were all missing. She spied some spots that looked familiar, but they weren't the right ones. She decided to wear as many spotted things as she could find, but that just made Little Giraffe hot. Little Giraffe loved all things spotty, but nothing could replace her missing spots. She even tried painting on some spots, but that wasn't very successful at all. Not even confetti spots could cheer her up. Little Giraffe thought she would never find her spots. She was so sad, she started to cry. Little Giraffe dried her tears and blew her nose with a spotted handkerchief. Then she found inside her pocket. Little Giraffe hadn't lost her spots at all. She was still wearing her pajamas. The end.